In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule emails in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever drafted a message late at night, wanted it to arrive during business hours, or needed to reach someone in a different time zone at the perfect moment, scheduling is your best friend. It lets you decide exactly when your email will land, so your message shows up when it's most likely to be seen. Here's how to do it, step by step, in a simple, reliable way. Start by clicking New Mail to open a fresh message window. Take a moment to write your email just the way you want it. Add your recipient, a clear subject line, and the body of the message. If you're including attachments or links, insert those now and double check that everything is correct. This is also a good time to proofread and make sure the tone, formatting, and any dates or figures are accurate. The goal is to have a complete, ready-to-send message before choosing when it goes out. Next, look to the Send button. You'll see a small arrow next to it. Click that arrow to open more options. From the menu that appears, choose Schedule Send. Outlook will prompt you to pick a date and time. Select the day you want, and then set the exact time you'd like the message to be delivered. It helps to think about your recipient's local time so the email arrives when they're likely at their desk. If your organization or device uses a different time zone, confirm that you're selecting the time you truly intend. Once you've picked the schedule that works, simply click Send. Your email won't go out immediately. Instead, Outlook will line it up to be delivered at the time you chose. You can relax knowing it's queued and ready to go. A quick tip: before the scheduled time arrives, you can still open the message from your scheduled or drafts area to make edits or send it right away if plans change. Also, if you're scheduling something important, consider writing a concise subject and keeping the first sentence clear so your recipient instantly understands the purpose when it arrives. And here's the best part.